Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Swiss Clip reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping site which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including nail clippers, Swiss Clip shaving set, Swiss Clip zero waste reusable swab and nose hair trimmer, Swiss Clip remover foot scrubber, nail buffer, bunion corrector, heavy duty cuticle cutter, etc. You can find vast variety of product collection on this website by visiting the product category option. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys, but some prices are pretty high. Now let's check out the payment information of this website. So at the bottom of the web page you can find or you can view the popular payment methods that they are accepting, including JCB, Stripe, Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, etc. Now let's check out the shipping policy. For that you need to visit the FAQ section of this website, guys, and here you can find the entire information related to ordering and payment, shipment, delivery, charges, options, etc. Talking about shipping duration, so estimated shipping time frame is 7 to 10 business days. And they've also mentioned in holiday update, recently they have received a notification from the shipping partner regarding the delay of the packages due to the holiday season, and rest you can read for your knowledge, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Talking about the first and important factor, so guys, this website is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, the particular domain name was created on 18th of November 2019. So guys, let's check out the About Us page of this website. So this is the About Us page. Here they have mentioned the information related to offering and about the return policy in the About Us page, which is a good sign, guys, but they have not provided the information related to business establishment year, business owner name, etc. So this is not a good sign. Now let's check out the contact details of this website. So this is the contact us page of this website, and here they have provided the email address and the working hours information. Guys, they have not provided the company's official address and contact number, which is a bad sign. Now talking about social media presence of this website. So let's check out the social media presence icons. So here you can see they have provided Facebook, Instagram and YouTube social media account handles, and this site has social media presence on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Yes guys, many customers have followed the page of Facebook and Instagram as well. So this is a good sign here that define its legitimacy. But it's not enough to judge its legitimacy, guys. We need to explore the entire information, including return policy and customer reviews. So let's check out the customer reviews. But before that, let's check out the return policy of this website. So guys, you can see they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And guys, talking about Swiss Clip reviews, we have found positive reviews on the official website, but we didn't find customer reviews on the internet. So this is a negative sign. But let's check out the customers' testimonials on the official website. So you need to visit the homepage of the website again. And here is the review section, guys. You can see most of the customers have posted positive reviews or feedbacks about the services of this website or excellent products. So this defines its legitimacy. But guys, in the final conclusion, I would say we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. It's really very important to check out the entire customer reviews before making any decision. So it's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision after analyzing each and everything regarding this website. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.